In this video, we will show the 10 best Kajals and Kohl pencils in India 2021. At number 1, L'Oréal Paris Kajal Magique. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 2, M.A.C Modern Twist Kajal Eyeliner Long Espresso. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 3, Plum NaturStudio All Day Wear Kohl Kajal. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 4, Lakmé Eyeconic Kajal. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 5, Maybelline New York Colossal Kajal. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 6, Lotus Makeup Ecostay Crème Kohl Intense Kajal. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 7, Bobbi Brown Longwear Eye Pencil. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 8, Inglot Kohl Pencil. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 9 Faces Canada Ultime Pro Intense Gel Kajal. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 10 Sugar Cosmetics Twist and Shout Fadeproof Kajal. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update.